And so if you run our tool, you just bring up your command palette and hit inline format PSQL strings. I can hit enter on this, and then you'll see we get a nice SQL formatting on our very long raw string query.
Hello, everybody. My name is Victor Richard Starson. I'm the founder of Passio. And in this series, we will be sharing with you examples of code and coding best practices and developer tools that we are making available here at Passio. So we will cover both our work on nutrition AI, remodel AI, and other mobile AI and mixed reality apps. And we will also show quite a few examples of best practices that we discovered while building those tools. So to follow us on this journey, please subscribe, please like our videos, and please follow us as we are releasing these tools and providing these examples of what the developer community. So again, please join us, please follow, like, subscribe, and we're excited to be bringing this content to you guys in this video and in hopefully many videos to come. So Alex, please introduce yourself and let's dive into the code.
Sure. Thank you. I'm Alex. I'm the lead back engineer here at Passio. So yeah, a lot of our microservices are written in Go, and a lot of times when you're using Go connected with a database, you'll use an ORM like Go ORM or XORM, various other ones. And these are great for simplifying queries and looking up your objects, but a lot of times there are very complex things that you need to look up where it's either not possible or just horribly inefficient in one of these libraries, and you just need to get your hands dirty and write some manual SQL code. And so when we do that, a lot of times we get strings in our Go file that are SQL code, and Go doesn't have a formatter to format these for us. So I was doing some browsing for an extension, but I couldn't find anything that would reliably format these strings. Part of the reason you would want formatting is just it makes it easier to edit and follow what's going on, but also more importantly, it's easier to review the code in things like GitHub when you're merging code to just tell the differences between things when there's a little bit more of a standardized setup. We ended up developing a tool in which case inside of your Go file, you can write your SQL in like multi-line Go between backticks. And our extension basically will find SQL code between these backticks and format them with the command line pgFormat tool, which I think is written in Perl. So for example, I've got a file here where we've got this very long SQL query that is really difficult to look at the moment. And so if you run our tool, you just bring up your command palette and hit inline format PSQL strings. I can hit enter on this, and then you'll see we get a nice SQL formatting on our very long raw string query. So yeah, that's about it. It's a very small tool, but it's very, very useful to keep your code a lot easier to follow and edit. So we built this for ourselves for our own review purposes, put it on the code extension shop, and I think we're close to 3,000 downloads at the moment.
So let's maybe show you from the VS Code, let's maybe show how users can install it, how developers can install it if they want to use it.
Sure. So this is available just like any other tool in the extension store. So if you just look for inline PG format, PG for Postgres, because that's the flavor of formatting we use, you'll see our Passio logo right here for the Go Inline formatter. You just hit the install button like with any other extension, and then from that point, it's available in your command palette.
And yeah, if you guys use it, please add some 5-star reviews for us. We always appreciate your feedback, and please provide and share your comments. So Alex, thank you for sharing, and everyone, thank you for joining. Again, we will be sharing a lot more developer content and building developer community. Thanks everyone for joining. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and keep staying with us on this journey.